Often the choice is between a big university with big opportunities or a smaller university with smaller opportunities. Here in the Bailey College of Science and Mathematics at Cal Poly, we have the best of both worlds. And I'll go so far as to say we offer the best of all worlds. The Bailey College is a wonderfully connected community that offers world-class opportunities and has the resources and support to help each student succeed and find their passion.
I definitely did consider attending other larger universities. Cal Poly, far and away, was the best option.
I actually came in as a transfer student, but the thing that called me to Cal Poly was having the smaller class size.
It's kind of unmatched at Cal Poly, the amount of opportunities you have to interact one-on-one with professors. The faculty-to-student ratios was super appealing to me at the time.
Having access to your professors on a one-on-one basis was really important to me.
You know, you're not just like some nameless face in like a 400-person lecture hall.
We as faculty get to interact with undergraduate students and graduate students on a daily basis in multiple contexts.
That's definitely the way that I learn. I like to work closely with the professors, and I want to have that comfort of communicating with professors.
Beginning of freshman year, I would be in classrooms of like 35, and my professors would know my name by the end of week 1.
The Bailey College is known to have a close-knit culture that feels like a family, because we really are a family. In fact, our college was recently renamed in honor of Philip and Christina Bailey, our former dean and former chair of chemistry and biochemistry, who together spent decades fostering student success and a culture of mentorship and inclusiveness in the College of Science and Mathematics. We take pride in our faculty and student relationships that grow to produce deep connections and focused collaborations. We call it the teacher-scholar model, and it's absolutely the foundation of Learn by Doing.
Seeing students grow is one of the most rewarding aspects of my job.
The professors seem to care about you, not just as students, but also as humans.
Students who are sometimes nervous as they enter a lab for the first time, seeing those students go from that stage to being confident researchers who are collecting data that are publishable is extremely rewarding.
I don't have parents who have the background of going to college and knowing how the system works, so it was really nice to be able to go up to any faculty member and say, what was it like for you? How did you get here?
We have exceptional state-of-the-art facilities that allow students to learn, discover, and innovate together at a high level, like the award-winning Baker Center, the Exotic Plant Conservatory, the brand new Frost Center for Research and Innovation, and even lab and classroom spaces literally on the ocean at our Cal Poly Pier.
The Central Coast of California is an amazing environment, or what I call my laboratory to work in.
I really do love it here in San Luis Obispo. There's like mountains that you can hike and see these like gorgeous sunset views.
It's kind of like the best place to have a school where, if you need a minute, you can just go to the beach and decompress, and that feels amazing.
The facilities in the Bailey College, and especially the newer facilities, are amazing learning spaces for our students. They're modern, they're open concept, they're bright, they're spaces that you want to be in, and I think that encourages learning.
Cal Poly's motto is Learn by Doing, and in the Bailey College, that ethos is infused into all of our hands-on, real-world learning and research. Our student experiences range from particle acceleration research at CERN in Switzerland, marine mammal field studies in Antarctica, to innovation that creates biodegradable clothing, or a mobile health unit providing services to underrepresented local communities, and even in-classroom teaching for our educators to be.
You definitely get the sense of it's not just a classroom anymore, you're working in real scientific research.
It really emphasizes for them, practically speaking, what does it mean to be a biologist? What does it mean to do research? And they get to not just see that or hear about that, they get to do that.
The Bailey College is becoming known as one of the nation's premier institutions for undergraduate research. We now have the finest and best equipped facilities in our college's history, as well as the necessary resources so that each of our students has the opportunity to collaborate with faculty in research and innovation. We're fortunate to have funding to support students with scholarships, fellowships, internships, and more, thanks to the generous contributions from alumni, friends, and industry partners.
It feels great to say that I am a student at the Bailey College of Science and Math.
It's a place where I truly feel like they allow you to carve your own path.
So we have the infrastructure, the facilities, and the faculty-to-student ratios that allow us to interact with students in a meaningful way.
I'm very, very glad to have chosen Cal Poly.
It is truly a great time to be a part of our world here at the Bailey College of Science and Mathematics.